In 60 seconds, replace the left speaker on a MacBook Pro 17-inch Unibody. Let's begin. Tools: Phillips number 00, T6 Torx, plastic spudger, ESD strap. Keep a labeled tray for screws. Power off the MacBook, flip it over, and remove the battery screws using Phillips number 00. Lift the battery, disconnect the battery connector, and set the battery aside safely. First, test audio to confirm left speaker failure. Play a quick left channel tone. Unscrew the speaker screws with a T6, note screw types and lengths, then lift out the left speaker. Place the replacement speaker into position, align contacts, and seat it firmly. Secure speaker screws finger tight, then torque lightly to spec. Do not over-tighten. Reconnect the battery connector, reseat the battery, and reinstall battery screws. Reinstall bottom cover screws using labeled tray organization and perform a visual check. Power on and run the audio test again. Confirm clear left channel sound restored. Done. Remember safety, proper tools, and gentle torque. Subscribe for more quick repairs.